taking selfies?
I'm not taking a selfie, I'm doing a video. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a quick little video at Wegmans. Gonna show just some of the new products that I found. It's been a while, so I thought I would put it up there. You guys seem to like these videos when I do it, and I like doing these videos, so here we go. Let's go to Wegmans. We're gonna start right out in the cookie aisle. Enjoy Life crunchy cookies. These are the birthday cake ones. They're new, and they are free of a bunch of allergens. Now, Joy Life has tons of vegan products, as you can see, but be careful. They have a couple that have honey in it. Made Good, these chocolate chip cookies. If you haven't had them, you got to try them. They're so good. But you got to get these ones because they have another version of Little Minis, and for some reason, it's not the same formula, and I don't really care for them. But these ones right here are almost like the Chips Ahoy. And they have these new red velvet. Now, I haven't had these, but these are another example of the minis that they have. So, check those out. Let me know if you've had them. Certified vegan. And these ones right here, the ones right here, the chocolate chip, these are almost like soft batch. They're one of my favorites. I try never to get them though, but they are super, super good. So if you haven't had them, definitely pick them up. Upton's have these banana blossoms, so you can make your fish and chips. We got vegan mac and cheese by Hal. We've talked about them before. Annie's vegan mac. Couple different flavors there. Of course, Daya. I don't care for all the Daya ones though. Some of them I like better than the others. I tried the bacon one, didn't like it. And these crispy cauliflower wings. Haven't had these, but I'm assuming it's just another version of cauliflower. So you can make them yourself or you can buy them here. They are vegan. And then Daring Chicken. Now this is one of the best chickens I've had as far as vegan chicken goes, the plant-based pieces. The breaded chicken probably being my favorite, but you can get the other lemon and herb, you know, cook it up, throw in some rice and veggies, super good. Alpha plant-based strips. This is a grilled chicken bag of vegan chicken strips. Eat Pastry, some of my buddies out there in San Diego making awesome vegan cookie dough. We got the birthday cake here, love it. They have the gluten-free one. They got a peanut butter, they have chocolate chip cookies, and somewhere they have a chocolate chip here, but not here at Wegmans. Sweet Lauren's also coming out with their own tub of vegan cookie dough, certified vegan right there. And they're pretty good as well. And then this Hooray Bacon. Now, it's finally in stores. I did a review on this a few years ago when they sent me a sample of it. It really is good, and yeah, it looks a lot like bacon to me. But it's vegan, so don't worry. Light Life has always been the old school vegan bacon for me since back in the day, making breakfast sandwiches. And then we got Sweet Earth Benevolent Bacon, not my favorite. And then we got the Gimme Lean sausage, still one of the old school and one of my favorite sausages, the Light Life right here. And I found Baby Yoda Pez, so I thought I'd throw him in there, give him a shout out, Baby Yoda. And then we got No Way Chocolate with Jake the Easter Bunny here, vegan Easter Bunny. It's pretty small for $6.99, but hey, they got it. I don't see any others here. You could make your own. Maybe I'll make one. And then we have the Wegmans Pot Stickers. And it's really cool because they say vegan right on. I like how Wegmans does that. And then their tofu. This is extra firm. This is a different consistency, so if you want to try it out, go for it. It's not like your regular ones. And then we got the plant-based novelties. It says it right there above the aisle. I love that. So we got plant-based ice creams. A lot of these I've showed you before, but let's check again. We got those Oatly bars down there. Super good. Well, at least the one I've tried. And these Dream Pops, these cookie dough Dream Pops, they are vegan bites. I've never seen them until right now, and I've obviously never had them. But if you've had them, let me know in the comments below what you thought of them. These are the ingredients, and then the My Mochi. Now, I've had these. These are pretty good, and they have two flavors here, salted caramel and strawberry. And the old school Tofutti Cutie's been eating these since back in the day. Super good and nostalgic for me. We got some Daya salted caramel swirl and some various other ones. Nadamu, always vegan ice cream. Love it. Kato, avocado. And then, so this is Coconut Bliss, but it's now Cosmic Bliss. I don't like what they did because they were an all-vegan company that started serving dairy ice cream, and it's just going in the wrong direction, so probably not going to buy that anymore. Oatly, super good ice cream, nice and creamy, decadent, delicious. Now we have these samosas, potatoes and pea, certified vegan right here. I did get these before, and, you know, samosas, hey, I love them. They're pretty good. easy to cook. And then these are new. Never seen these before, but we got the Green Goddess Falafel Bowl. It says vegan right there on the front. And just interested in seeing how these taste, but haven't had them. The Korean style veggie barbecue. They have a few different ones, but not all of them are vegan. Some of them just say vegetarian, so be careful. You got to look at that. And then again, this was always my go-to pizza, the cheeseless Amy's pizza here, vegan pizza, roasted vegetable. And then Wegmans also carries their own artisan rolls, frozen rolls, and easy access. We got the vegan label right there on the side. They got the rosemary olive oil ones, and they also have the ciabatta over here, artisan rolls, and they're all vegan, frozen, of course. Throw them in the oven, thaw them out, delicious. Of course, it might be somebody's birthday that I know, so I had to get a Yoda card for that special occasion. Bringing some stuff home. We have the Daya cheese sticks here, and the Enjoy Life chips. These are also, Joy Life makes a lot of really good vegan products. I love these as well. And what else do we have here? Moving on to the next product, Chris. The lentil chips, dill and sour cream. The Divi's chocolate chip cookies. Hey, if you're not watching your weight, check these out. Super good. The vegan mac and cheese, the rich and creamy one. All right, so vegan at Wegmans. Just to show you a few of the new items that they have. I also want to show you, I know I showed you Jake, which is the No Way chocolate bunny, and they were out of the eggs and stuff, but I have some of the eggs that I already bought. Now, these are the vegan cream eggs. They are individually wrapped. I like them. They're good. They are quite pricey. 12 of them come in here, and I think they go for about 11 or 12 bucks, so like $1 a piece. But they also have the vegan peanut butter, so sun butter, eggs, in a white package, but they weren't in, so maybe they'll replenish them in the morning. I usually go, I went late at night when there's not many people there. Also, I want to show you this because a few years ago I did a video on the Pink Glow pineapple, and it's pretty delicious, but it was going for about 50 bucks because it was rare. Well, now $3.99. So Pink Glow pineapple, delicious and very cheap. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I like doing these videos, even though there wasn't too much in it. Just a quick little getting back to the store and doing some of those videos. So have a nice day, night, evening, whatever it is for you. And thumbs up, subscribe. I think that really helps the algorithm. So go ahead and thumbs up it. It tricks it, and it's like, share the video. Or not. But definitely stay safe. Watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.